Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled A/B testing for AI applications. Experimenting to make your AI better, running two versions of an AI side by side to see which performs better with real users. Analogy: like trying two different recipes for a dish to see which one gets more compliments. Imagine you're trying to bake a new dessert. You have two slightly different recipes, one uses almond flour, recipe A, and the other uses regular flour, recipe B. You bake both and ask your friends which one they like better. This trying two versions side by side to see which performs better is exactly what A/B testing is. For AI, it means running two different versions of your AI to real users to see which one helps them more or performs better. For traditional software, rules are fixed. A button either works or it doesn't. But AI is different. AI learns, makes predictions, and often has a degree of intelligence. How do you know if a new AI feature, like a different recommendation system or a tweaked chatbot response, is actually better? You can't just guess. A/B testing lets your users tell you which version of your AI is more helpful, engaging, or accurate in the real world, instead of just hoping for the best. From a developer's perspective, this means you've built two versions of your AI application, version A and version B. When users come to your app or website, you smartly direct a portion of them, e.g., 50%, to use the features powered by version A, and the other 50% to use version B. It's like having two separate doors to the same restaurant, where each door leads to a slightly different menu. Users don't even know they're part of an experiment. To know which AI recipe is better, we need to track specific things, called metrics. For an AI that recommends products, better might mean more clicks on recommended items for an AI chatbot. It could be how many user questions are successfully answered, or if users give a thumbs up. For an image recognition AI, it might be the accuracy of identifying objects. As a developer, you decide which user actions or AI outcomes are most important to track for your specific AI application. As users interact with version A and version B of your AI, your application is quietly collecting data. This isn't spying, it's understanding user behavior. This could be clicks, time spent on a page, successful task completions, or even explicit feedback like survey responses. For example, if your AI suggests movies, you'd log how many movies from version A's suggestions a user actually watched versus version B's. This data is the compliments you collect from your friends about your two dessert recipes. After collecting enough data, sometimes for days or weeks, it's time to compare. You look at the metrics you chose earlier. Did version A lead to significantly more product purchases than version B? Did version B's chatbot resolve more customer issues? As a developer, you analyze this data to see if the differences are real and not just random luck. If one version clearly outperforms the other on your key metrics, you've found your winner. Once a winner is declared, you, the developer, can then fully roll out the superior AI version to all your users. This doesn't mean the losing version was a failure. It was a learning experience. A/B testing is a continuous cycle. You might take elements from the loser version, combine them with the winner, or come up with an entirely new version C to test next. It's all about using real user data to continuously refine and improve your AI application. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.